Hello everyone. So in the previous class we are discussing some functional groups about ethers and esters. So today class section we have to discuss alcohols. Okay, so alcohols definition and types of alcohols. What are the types of alcohols and preparation methods and uses and their basicity of alcohols today. So here why we calling as alcohols. So I will give you a small clue. Alcohols, so to remember. So alcohols, alk means alkyl groups and ol means hydroxy groups is there. So when hydroxy groups is attached to alkyl groups, so that is ROH in the shortcut form. So alcohols they are. So simply alcohols are derived from the hydrocarbons mostly. Okay, so these are derived from the hydrocarbons. Why we calling the hydrocarbons? Because of so it has carbon and hydrogen with another functional group, so that is a hydroxy group. Okay, it shows so alcohol characters, basicity and sometimes acidity also. Okay, so this is the alcohols, students. And next types of alcohols we have so primary alcohols and secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. So what is the structure of primary and secondary and tertiary alcohols, how you can prepare? So types means primary and secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. So and preparation of methods of alcohols also seeing now and their uses, so how it is used and basicity also we will see about alcohol, students. So these are all the organic compounds, so that is alcohol. So first we have to say in third functional group is alcohols. So let you see alcohols with example and structures. Okay, so here alcohol, alkyl groups and hydroxy group. Okay, example is so methanol. First one example is methanol and second one is so ethanol, C2H5OH, so like that, and propanol, okay, in the short form P, and butanol. So all are coming in those example for the alcohols. Okay, so these are the example for alcohols, methanol and ethanol and propanol and butanol. So these are the best example. And phenol also come under the alcohols in the place of so aryl group is there. This is the phenol. Okay, so this is the order of this. So this is example for alcohol. So now we should see types and preparation of alcohols here. So primary and secondary alcohols, how we can prepare and what is the structure of primary and secondary alcohols. So here primary alcohols and secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohols. So primary alcohols, what is primary alcohols and secondary alcohols means that so if it is OH group is attached to only a single alkyl group is there, so that is the primary alcohol. Simple way to easily way to find out these structures and how we can easy to prepare from the Grignard reagent. So if OH groups is attached to two alkyl groups is there, so that is the secondary alcohols. And if OH group is attached to three alkyl groups, so one here, one here, one, so these are tertiary alcohols. So these are the types of alcohols, primary and secondary tertiary alcohols. So here no hydrogens, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Okay, so now we'll see the preparation methods of primary and secondary alcohols, how we can prepare from the aldehydes and ketones and formaldehyde. So from formaldehyde we can prepare alcohols. So this is a formaldehyde structure, CHHO. So these are all alcohols are from used for the preservative of so some organisms in the laboratory. So here aldehydes means formaldehyde, this is okay, formaldehyde in the shortcut form Fa. So in the formaldehyde so it react with the Grignard reagent to give. So here this is electronegative elements, here oxygen and here positive character. So here positive and so when here alkyl group is reacting here and this bond goes to this side. So here to form CH, second bond minus, and MgX. Here R group is there and next H. So here this is a complex, and now we can hydrolysis this product. Okay, hydrolysis. Okay, what happened here? So form alcohols, primary alcohols. Okay, so primary alcohol here R group is there and H. So this is a primary alcohol from formaldehyde in the presence of Grignard reagent. Okay, so mostly Grignard reagent it gives alcohols, right? So next we see from secondary alcohol. This is the primary alcohol preparation. Next we see the secondary alcohol. Okay, secondary alcohol, how we can prepare from the from the aldehyde. Okay, from the aldehyde we can prepare secondary alcohols here in the presence of Grignard reagent. Okay, so here same process. Okay, alkyl group is there. Okay, next C single bond O minus and R MgX. Okay, so here R is attack on here and H. So this is a means a complex. Next hydrolysis, we do hydrolysis, we getting secondary alkyls. Okay, secondary alcohols. So here OH. So this is a secondary alcohol from the ketone, primary alcohol from the formaldehyde. Next we see the tertiary alcohol. Okay, tertiary alcohols, so from it is obtained from ketone. Okay, that is the aldehyde, so we can get formaldehyde and aldehyde. So from ketone we getting tertiary alcohols. Okay, so the formula of ketone is RC1OR. So example, many examples are there, but we have no time, so that's why I will give you say shortcut methods to prepare alcohols. Okay, so you know same as this Grignard reagent, mostly Grignard reagent it gives alcohols, right? So here bond is shifted here and this positive charge come in the attack on carbon side. No, sorry. So this is some the specialty of Grignard reagent, it act as sometimes negative charge also. Yeah, so we're getting O minus and R. So MgX here H. Okay, so we do hydrolysis from this. So here R hydrolysis, so it will give tertiary alcohol. Okay, tertiary alcohol. So from ketone we getting tertiary alcohol, right? So now we'll see the two easy method to preparation, preparation methods about alcohols. So how we can prepare alcohols? So from alkyl halide we can prepare first one, and second one is so Grignard reagent, and third one is hydration method, hydration of water. So hydration of water from alkene. Okay, alkene C double bond O group. So this is a preparation methods, three methods about alcohols. So first one is we have to see hydration methods of alkene. From alkene we can prepare alcohols. So example is ethylene. In the presence of water we getting ethanol. Okay, getting ethanol. So here double bond is break down. So from alkenes we getting ethanol. Okay, so this is the first preparation methods. Next one is from alkyl halides we can prepare alcohols in the presence of so we do hydrolysis. So this is alkyl halide react with water to form alcohols. Okay, so alcohols this is. So example is methyl bromide is reacted with water to form methanol. Okay, methanol plus HBr. So these are basic methods to prepare alcohols. Next one is so less time in short time, so we are knowing about alcohols, right? So here next preparation method is from Grignard reagent. So already I just discussed about primary and secondary alcohols, how we can prepare, and next from Grignard reagent we can prepare. So example now we'll take formaldehyde or anyone. So ketone. So ketone react with also same as this tertiary alcohol we can produce. Okay, so example is acetone, dimethyl acetone, or so acetone in the short form alkyl reagent. So getting tertiary alcohol. So alcohols we are getting from this. So this is a today class, and next the uses of alcohols. So where we can prepare alcohols. So mostly alcohols are prepared by the fermentation process. So fermentation process it is occurring naturally. Okay, naturally. So mostly alcohols are used for so means antiseptic. So and means a preservation of any so organisms, some organisms in the laboratory. So this is the basic things for the alcohols. So uses of alcohols we are seeing, and preparation methods both from alkyl halides. Okay, so this is the basic terms to know about alcohols preparation, types of preparation we are seeing alcohols. So these are basic things. So finally, thank you and for watching this video and understand well, and I hope all of you are understanding about this alcohol methods, types, preparation, uses and basicity. So we have another topic is basicity we are forgetting. So now discussing the basicity of alcohols, guys. So now we'll see the basicity of order, basicity order. Okay, basicity. So basicity of mostly it alcohols act as an weak base and strong base. So sometimes it lose protons to from oxonium ion or hydroxonium ion. So from it is a base when we react CO plus. Okay, like the structure is here like that, H.